Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your Discord chats more interactive and visually appealing, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable link previews and embeds in Discord mobile chat, so every link you share comes alive with a handy preview. This is the updated method, so you'll get the latest steps to make your conversations pop. First things first, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner for your profile icon. It's the one with your avatar. Give that a tap to enter your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Chat. Tap on Chat to access all the chat-specific settings that Discord offers on mobile. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a setting called Show Embeds and Preview Website Links pasted into chat. This is the feature that controls whether you see those rich previews whenever someone shares a link. If the toggle is off, you'll only see plain links. But if you want those eye-catching previews, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. It should switch colors or slide to the right, letting you know it's active. That's it. From now on, whenever you or someone else posts a link in your Discord chats, you'll see a preview with a thumbnail, title, and a short description, making it easier to know what the link is about before you even click it. Enabling link previews and embeds not only makes your chats look better, but it also helps you and your friends stay safer by seeing what's behind a link at a glance. Plus, it just makes sharing content a lot more fun. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.